So with the wax or with thread would you like?
What's that, sorry?
With thread or with the wax?
Usually they do the thread, yeah. Yeah. That won't hurt. Thank you. Right. Thanks so much. You can keep that. Thank you. See ya.
How we looking, mate?
They look better, Cynthia? They look better? Hey guys, we're back at Powerhouse Bayswater today. Great gym, as you know. We did an arm session here a little while back. I'm here with my good mate Jake McPherson. He's a chiropractor at Spinal Studio. You might even give me a couple of adjustments today, yeah?
See what we do.
If I'm lucky. My neck's a bit tight, so definitely need it. We're going to train chest. Let's get into it. So we're starting with the dumbbell bench press. I put the bench on a slight incline. Always felt really good for me. Feels better on my shoulders. Hits the upper chest a little bit more. And yeah, that's what we're trying to focus on. Really bringing up our upper chest. It's what most people lack, and I'm really happy with the progress I've made. So we might even throw in a decline movement today, some plate loaded presses, and then we'll do a fly to finish it off.
What's this thing you're looking at on the wall here, mate?
This is because I'm a meathead and I failed maths. All the weights are in pounds, so we have to use the conversion to see what they are in kilos. You think you're lifting heavy, and then you're like, it's half the weight.
What are you up to? Oh, you've got that smirk on your face.
I'm thinking about a lot of things. No, there was just a girl in the background lifting her top up, checking her abs out. So just got distracted. Control, man. I only do like 3 or 4 exercises. How many do you do? 30?
10.
Yeah, I think we push the next one.
Yeah.
We'll find a incline plate loaded machine and load it up.
You're probably going to have a much easier workout today without Jay adjusting his seat every single set.
Yeah, literally. Jake's a bit taller than me though, so maybe I'm like the Jay version.
Yeah, but Jay's like this tall, so it's...
What do you guys think? I've replaced Jay today. It's my new training partner. I told you.
A little bit taller.
I told you guys. He filled out the application. It's always the last 5. Like you get to 10, and then as soon as you get to 10, it's like bang, hit you.
So what's with the higher reps?
Well, like we were saying before, it's just a way to sort of give my body a little bit of a deload this week, and also shock it a little bit as well. Just from going lower reps for so long and pushing heavy weight, which I do enjoy training that way more, but I don't know how many reps I've done, but that'll do. This guy asked me questions mid-set. He's warmed up now. He's you're not going to be able to stop him.
So have you started cardio as well yet, mate? Or
I don't do cardio.
At all?
I wouldn't say at all. It's another good tool that we can utilise if I need to. But Josh, my coach, actually increased my food. So yeah, definitely no cardio at this point. I do walk my dog, so I guess that counts as it's real low intensity, steady state cardio, but not tracking my steps or not doing any planned cardio. Come on, man. With me now, let's go. These are the ones. Let's go. Two more. Last one, last one. Hold it, hold it. Slow on the way down. Slow, slow, slow. Whatever you do, the body just adapts. So you have to constantly change it up, constantly shock the system. That's why we're doing like high reps today. You were saying, you know, once you reach that 10 rep range, the 5 after that are like,
Just like fatigue.
yeah, you're gone after 10. So, but that's how you grow. Shock the muscles, force them to grow. You're just gonna like break my neck completely, aren't you?
Yeah.
Bit of payback. I could be 99 in weigh-ins and then load up and be 103 on stage or whatever. Probably not that extreme, but you know what I'm saying.
You can be over. Yeah.
You can be over. And yeah, some people have the opposite problem where it's like they need to be in the lower category and they struggle to make weight. So
Yeah.
for whatever reason, you know.
Otherwise, they're just up against bigger people, or?
Yeah, definitely. By which, like, you know, it's not all about weight, but if you're 100 kilos, you don't necessarily want to be versing someone who's 120.
Yeah.
But that being said, you can still beat someone who's 20 kilos heavier than you. It's been done, especially like a lot of people have done it recently. They're a rewarding condition a lot more than size.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have both, so
Bring it.
you gotta give me a spot on the first one.
Yeah.
3, 2, up. Yeah, I'm good.
Easy, come on. Push. Let's go.
Come on, last 5.
Come on, let's go.
One more. See, when you hit the reps, you don't need to do a drop set. All right, so I'm repping King of the Gym Apparel. Really comfortable lifting attire. This is my clothing sponsor. Wearing a few layers, but we'll strip down as we go. If you guys are after some high quality gym gear, then make sure you check out joshlenardowicks.com.au. We'll throw up a link. I believe I have a discount code, which should be Big Nate. So save some money, get some good gear for winter, and look good, feel good.
I don't even think I'm a machine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna crash the front of the shoe.
Come on, how you doing?
Sorry. Good, how are you? Yeah, no, doing my IFBB.
Yeah, good. Beat all the enhanced.
I don't know if we'll beat, but I want to be a sharp knife and a gun knife.
Sure you will. We'll just wait.
Got it.
What were you saying before? You were distracted by something. I still don't know what you're talking about now.
Was I distracted?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. You haven't actually said.
There's a lot of distractions in here today,
Yeah?
which is why I can't have them in my life when I'm prepping.
Oh, right. There's not that much KFC around here, bro. You look fine, bro. You look hot. Don't worry about it.
So if you notice, Jake's got his elbow position on about a 45-degree angle. They're not too wide where he's loading his shoulders up, and they're not too tucked in where his triceps are going to take over. So a real comfy position for the shoulders. He's creating that arch, locking them in. Is there anything else you want to add to that?
That's about it.
Just perfect.
Yeah.
A good little tip with this one as well is when you're doing any kind of pressing movement, especially with the bar, think about when you're bringing it down, you're trying to bring your arms out. So pull the bar outward.
How are they feeling?
The movement,
Yeah.
good. It's loading up my my elbow a little bit more, just because I did go heavy the previous week. I am meant to be going a little bit lighter today, so but yeah, I think I need to rest it. It's not too bad, but feeling this more than the plate loaded. But that's okay. Jake's gonna fix me. Get going, man. These are the ones now. Big set, man. Well done.
Take is kicking in.
Yeah. Keeping up with me though. It's doing well.
Is that how you're meant to get out of it?
Bit easier.
Oh, I just slipped out. It just went
Is
out
that
the
how
back.
you get out?
Yeah.
What do you do? Just like a somersault?
Yeah, that's it.
Hold on, mate. I just saw something happen with your hands then.
What's that?
I just saw something happen with your hands then.
What did I do?
I know what that means. You're already started.
Hang on. Is that what you were getting
That's
at?
exactly what I meant.
Can you muzz? When you come here, you have to muzz. Oh!
Might have a little competition at the end, boys.
I want to see like the under the legs and all that. Famous last words? Yeah. See how we go.
What did you weigh last time?
Last time I checked my weight, it was 120. With like shoes and clothes and everything on. And that was like a month ago. So, man, I could have lost, who knows, 10 kilos since then.
Are there scales in here?
Yeah.
I can't check though.
Can't check.
I'm not allowed to. I mean, you can film the scale weight, but then I'm going to see it on the video.
What do you mean you're not allowed to check?
My coach doesn't want me checking my weight.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
because he knows it messes with my head.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
Is that common, or is that just something your coach is doing with you?
It's common, but probably more. It's like think about it like this. You know how people obsess over seeing the numbers go down, whereas bodybuilders are the opposite. We obsessed about them going up. So now that I'm dieting and they're going down, it's like, I don't know. I spent so long chasing a certain number to see it go down, messes with my head. So, yeah.
Hurts the soul.
What's that?
Hurts the soul.
Hurts the soul. Yeah.
Like, surely you'd still be way above 115.
I don't think so. No, I reckon no.
Really?
Yeah.
You'd be heavier than me, surely.
But this is the thing, it's an illusion. Like you might be heavier than me, but I might look bigger than you now that I'm leaner. You're like, no, you still look bigger. Thicker. All right, 3, 2. Top set, man, let's go. Easy, 2. Come on, Jake. 3, 2, all the way up, one more. Up, up, up.
Keep going. Easy. One point. Let's go. Keep going.
One more.
Are you going to slide out?
Hang on, my feet are still locked in. Oh, I'm just gonna lie here. I don't know why I thought that would work. It's different. Gotta try things, right? Gotta try things to know if you like them or not. But the better you can understand anatomy and how the body moves, the better you can select the right exercises and... I can't. You say it.
The better you can understand anatomy,
You gotta say it to the camera, not to me.
the better you can understand anatomy, the better you're going to develop in the gym with your movements. By the way.
Good job.
There you go, mate.
You're doing well for your first time. He's doing really well for his first session. What do you guys think? Do you want to see Jay or do you want to see Jake? They both start with a J, so I guess it doesn't really matter, right? So you want just a slight bend in your elbow, keep that bend fixed, and then you're just moving through your shoulder, through your scapula, opening up your chest, controlling it, squeezing it.
Are you complaining the weights aren't heavy enough again, mate?
Yeah. I guess it's a good problem to have, right? Hey brother, are you sure?
Yeah,
do you have any more on this one, or are you sure? I'm not kicking you off.
I already watch YouTube. It's
Oh,
great.
yeah? Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. How you doing? What are you training? I'm not kicking you off there. We can wait.
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you
We'll put you in the video. Unless Dan kills himself.
Must have break the camera, jeez.
Almost, dude.
You sure?
Far out, bro. You're kicking people off the machine.
You guys saw it. I didn't kick him off.
Jeez, far out, man.
I'm like one of those Asian dolls. You know, you open them up and they keep getting smaller.
Like a babushka doll.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah. I think they're rusted.
Just with different clothing.
You're looking way leaner, dude. You're
Yeah.
looking way leaner.
Hopefully I fill out a bit more this week with the higher carbs.
Shoulder blades down. Push, come on.
What side looks better? Close grip bench press, guys. Really good transition from the chest into triceps. I know we did the crossover first. I just wanted to get a bit more blood in the tris, but usually I do this leading into triceps. You still, your chest is pumped. You're still activating your chest, and because now we're doing that closer grip, we got the triceps firing. We did do this on the arm day, so if you guys want to check out that video, I'll put it up in the corner. Alright guys, that was our chest session. Pretty happy with that. Jake's going to give me a quick adjustment now. Jake's my chiro, I've done a full examination. So don't try this at home. Make sure you go see a professional. Yeah, let's get some movement.
Drop that left shoulder. Right shoulder, sorry.
Ooh, that was a big one. Nailed that. Got it. So, all better.